Hi guys, my new video about breaking boundaries, the latest trends in artificial intelligence. The introduction part will be artificial intelligence has been breaking boundaries in recent years, changing the way we interact with technology from voice assistants to self-driving cars. Is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives like automated cars by using machine learning along with the AI, Tesla like companies are invented self-driving cars, which are usable in most of the cities in the world, which are most saleable cars in the world and most safest car because a human can do mistakes, but machines can't do. So by using that, you can avoid the accidents. The first trend in artificial intelligence is natural language processing. Natural language processing is a subset of AI that focuses on language and speech recognition. This technology is used in chatbots, virtual assistants, and even language transitions. If we go to the real time applications, which are coming in these days, and by attracting the people. Sentiment analysis, the process of determining the sentiment of a piece of text, such as whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. So, if you give a text to the natural language processing, it will go through the content and it will tell that it is it is it the information is sensitive matter, like is it positive or negative or not any sides. It won't take any part of the side. It will be neutral. Machine translation, the process of automatically translating text from one language to another. So if we take the example of translator, if you give the speech, it will translate to another language. If you speak in English, it will translate to Telugu by showing the text of it by translating each and every letter, by maintaining the grammar of each of the language which it should translate. Text classification, the process of categorizing text into predefined categories or topics. By classifying the given text by reading the content, it will classify which type of text it is. By categorizing text into predefined categories. Tokenization, the process of breaking text into individual words or phrases. So, but if a text or content is provided to NLP, it will be using the tokenization method to break into subparts by recognizing the meaning of it and form a meaningful sentence. Part of speech tagging, the process of labeling each word in a sentence with its grammatical part of speech. So, as we discussed previously, by using tokenization to separate the phrases and words to maintain the grammar between the content which have been provided, and by checking is it valid for the grammar of the particular language or not. We should decide to change or edit or keep it as it is to move on. Named entity recognition, the process of identifying and categorizing named entities such as people, places, and organizations. The next topic is computer vision. Computer vision is the ability of machines to interpret, and understand visual information from the world around them. This technology is used in facial recognition, object detection, even self-driving cars. Actually, computer vision is a built-in Python module in uh, Python programming language. We can install it by using the extractions to use it for building projects like object detection and hand recognition or face recognition or color recognition. Most of these applications can be used in real time by installing these devices or software into the traffic cams and identifying the number plates and if it is having previous penalties, it should be cleared and it will be warned and it will be sent it, the information will be sending to the nearest police station and uh, resist the user of that vehicle to complete the previous penalty and move in the road. So by using this, the accidents can be uh, reduced and the number of visual recognition, identifying individuals through visual analysis, self-driving cars using computer vision to navigate and avoid obstacles. As I told that previously, uh, Tesla is using the this computer vision algorithm or modules to navigate and avoid obstacles in the way between the destination and source. Robotic automation enabling robots to perform tasks and make decisions based on the visual input. Medical anomaly detection, detecting abnormalities in medical images for improved diagnosis. Sports performance analysis, tracking athlete movements to analyze and enhance performance. So, if we take the Indian cricket team, they will be using the yo-yo test. It can be it can be uh, watched by this computer vision. Whoever the player is performing is up to mark or is reaching the boundaries which have been kept in the yo-yo test used for the selection for the further team for the World Cup or any some series or league matches. So by using this, player performance can be and the fitness can be identified. Manufacturing fault detection, identifying the defects in products during the manufacturing process. Agricultural monitoring, monitoring crop growth, livestock health, and weather conditions through visual data. So it will be useful for the farmers also. We go to the next topic, machine learning. This is the fastest growing trend in the new trend in the artificial intelligence. Actually, it's a subset of AI that allows machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. This technology is used in recommendation system, fraud detection, and even medical diagnosis. These are mainly used in automated televisions. Recently, they have introduced this technology to finding on the fraud detection of ATMs and they are used in medical diagnosis like hospitals to perform minute microscopic operations using machine learning. It can be used in automobile sector. The applications in real time are image recognition, speech recognition, recommender systems, fraud detection, self-driving cars, medical diagnosis, stock market trend. As we see this, every application of new trend in artificial intelligence is leading to the image recognition and self-driving cars. So if we compare all those previous trends, they combine with each other and work to reach the goal as we discussed about the self-driving cars. By having a single trend, we can't reach the goal of satisfying the customer of having a self-driving car. So by using these complete combination of trends like machine learning, NLP, and AI, it can be achieved. Stock market trading also recently introduced by using machine learning. If we go to the next topic, deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks to stimulate the human brain. This technology is used in image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and even game playing. So, so many members are thinking to build a device by connecting it to the neural networks of the brain by finding out the disease over time of a human and sending the reports to the nearest hospital if it is dangerous. So these are the projects has been developed by deep learning. The real-time applications is toxicity detection for different chemical structures, mitosis detection or radiology, hallucination or sequence generation, image classification, speech recognition, text extraction, market prediction, fraud detection, earthquake prediction. Earthquake prediction is actually used by deep learning by reading the seismograph information. Hallucination or sequence generation is depending on the game playing. Means by using these hallucination techniques, we can prepare the game playing, which is developed by the deep learning. So fastest growing trend in artificial intelligence is robotics. Robotics is a intersection of AI engineering, creating machines that can perform tasks autonomously. This technology is used in manufacturing, healthcare, and even space explorations. As we discussed in our first video about humanoid robots like Sophia and MR360, which is being developed by Korean companies and Japan institutes, which are humanoid robots, but they are not up to the mark. They are still developing phase. The major develop robotics in the real life is a robotic arm which are used in automobile industry for assembling the parts of a vehicle like cars, motorcycles, etc. So these are the very useful for car companies, vehicle companies, and automobile industry by reducing the time of preparing a car, because by using this a car can be ready completely uh, what, assembled in less than 1 hour. So thanks to robotics. If we come to the real-time applications other than this robotic arm, Caterpillar plants, which is aiming to develop remote controlled machines and are expecting to develop heavy robots in 2021. A robot can also be do heading tasks. Robots are increasingly being used more than humans in manufacturing, while in auto industry these are more than half of the labors are robots. Many of the robots are used in military robots. Actually, still it is not up to the mark, because the safety of humans is very will be at very risk by using the robot robots for military purposes. Robots have been used in cleaning up of areas like toxic waste or industrial wastes. It will be helpful for laborers, because by using the hand they can suffer from diseases, so because the chemical reactions will be like that. So if we introduce the robots to do that, it will be very helpful. Agricultural robots, household robots, domestic robots, nano robots, swarm robots, these are the applications in robotics trend. If we These are the main trends, but if we focus on the future of AI other than this is the fictional world of AI. The future of AI is exciting and full of possibilities. As technology continues to advance, you can expect to see even more breakthroughs in fields like healthcare, education, and transportation. However, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on jobs on the workforce. A study of Oxford Economics found that up to 20 million manufacturing jobs could be replaced by robots by 2030. Other experts have warned that AI could lead to widespread unemployment and social unrest. Despite these concerns, many experts believe that AI will continue to play an increasingly important role in our lives. As the AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more sophisticated applications in areas such as healthcare, education, and transportation. Overall, the future of AI is likely to be shaped by complex interplay of technological progress, economic forces, and social factors. While there are certainly risks and challenges associated with the emerging technology, this is also great potential for positive change and innovation. The conclusion will be artificial intelligence is changing the world and breaking boundaries. As technology continues to advance, it is important to consider the ethical implications and ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. Because by using this, though, so as we discussed within the future of AI, so many members will lose their jobs because there is a chat GPT, which is a software created by OpenAI. It can replace so many of the engineers. As of now, it is in still developing stage. They released a prototype that only it is very useful. If it is developed properly, it will overcome the humans' need, and it can be replaceable by every company. So the number of employees will be reduced, and companies get benefited. Thank you for watching my video. Please watch, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.